Hello, everyone, and welcome to Path to Fluent English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, everyone. Today, I am very excited. I need some new things for my house and maybe some new clothes, too.
That sounds like a big day, Sam. Are you going to the shopping mall?
Yes, the shopping mall. It is so big. There are so many floors and so many people. Sometimes I feel a little bit lost when I go there.
Don't worry, Sam. Today, we are talking about English at the shopping mall. This will help you find exactly what you need.
Oh, that is great. I need to know how to talk to the workers and how to find the right stores. But wait, before we enter the mall, if you want to join our family and learn with us, please like and subscribe. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. We are so happy to have you in our family. Now, Sam, when you first arrive at the mall, you might look for a directory. Sam, do you know what a directory is?
A directory. Let me see. Is that the big map near the entrance that shows all the stores?
Exactly. Right. Good job. It helps you see where you are and where you want to go. You can find stores for electronics or department stores.
Department stores? That's a fancy word, Chloe. What does it mean?
A department store is a very large shop that sells many different things. It has a section for clothes, a section for toys, and a section for kitchen tools. It is like many small shops in one big building.
Oh, I like those. You can find everything in one place. Actually, I have a funny story about a department store. I went to one yesterday. I wanted to buy a new blender for my kitchen.
A blender. That is the machine that mixes fruit and milk to make a smoothie. Did you find it?
Well, the store was huge. I was walking and walking. I saw beautiful sofas, and then I saw jewelry. I thought, wait, jewelry is not for kitchens. I was in the wrong department.
Department. That just means the specific area for one type of item. So you were in the jewelry department.
Yes, I was looking at expensive rings, but I wanted a blender. I asked a worker, where are the kitchen appliances? Chloe, appliances? That's a very fancy word. What does it mean?
Appliances. That's a great word for our learners. It means machines that we use in the house, like a blender, a fridge, or a washing machine.
Right. Well, the worker told me to go to the third floor. I was in a hurry, so I jumped on the escalator. Chloe, do you know what an escalator is?
Oh, I do. It's like a moving staircase. You just stand on it, and it carries you up to the next floor.
Yes, but I was looking at my phone. I was not paying attention. At the top of the escalator, my shoelace got stuck. I was pulled forward and I landed on a pile of soft pillows in the home department. Everyone was laughing. I looked like I was taking a nap in the store.
Oh no, Sam. A mistake is just a sign that you are trying to be fast. At least you landed on something soft.
Yes, the pillows were very comfortable. After that, I found my blender, but first I had to talk to the cashier. Chloe, do you know what a cashier is?
A cashier is the person who takes your money at the end. They work at the checkout.
Right. I went to the checkout. The cashier asked me, would you like a receipt? Chloe, do you know what a receipt is?
A receipt is that small piece of paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. You should always keep it. It is very essential.
Essential. That's a fancy word. Does it mean it's very important and you really need it?
Exactly. Right. Good job. It's essential because if your blender doesn't work, you need the receipt to return it.
Return. Yes, that means taking it back to the store to get your money back. I understand. So I have my blender, but now I want some clothes. I go to a boutique. Chloe, boutique? What does that mean?
A boutique is a small store that sells very stylish or expensive clothes. It's usually smaller than a department store.
Oh, I like boutiques. The clothes look very trendy. Trendy means they are popular and new, right?
Exactly. Right. Good job. And in a boutique, you can ask, where is the fitting room?
Fitting room. Is that the small room where I can try on the clothes to see if they fit?
Exactly. Some people call it a changing room. It's the same thing. You can take your clothes there and look in the mirror.
I like to look in the mirror. I want to see if I look sharp. Chloe, sharp? You mean like a knife?
No, San. When we talk about clothes, sharp means you look very clean, neat, and professional, like you're ready for a big party or an interview.
Oh, I want to look sharp. So I try on a jacket. But what if the jacket is too expensive? I can look for a discount.
A discount, that's when the price is lower. You can look for signs that say clearance. Sam, do you know what clearance means?
Clearance. Let me see. Is that when the store wants to sell everything very fast so the prices are very cheap?
Exactly. Right. Good job. It's a great way to save money. You can get a bargain. A bargain is a very good price for something.
I love a bargain. My blender was a bargain. It was 50% off. That made me very happy.
I'm happy for you too, Sam. Shopping is fun, but it can be exhausting. Exhausting. Do you know what that means?
Exhausting. Oh, I feel it now. It means I am very, very tired. My legs hurt from walking all over the mall.
Exactly. When you're exhausted, you can go to the food court. Sam, do you know what a food court is?
A food court? Yes, that is my favorite part of the mall. It's a big area with many different small restaurants. You can choose pizza, burgers, or salad, and everyone sits together in the middle.
Right. It's a great place to take a break. You can sit down, eat some food, and look at your purchases. Purchases? Sam, what does that mean?
Purchases. Those are the things I just bought, right? My blender, my sharp jacket, and my new pillows.
Exactly. Good job. You are an expert at the shopping mall now. You know how to find the directory, use the escalator, and find a bargain.
I feel much better now. I'm not lost anymore. I'm just hungry. I'm going to the food court for a big slice of pizza.
Go enjoy your pizza, Sam. You worked hard today. Now, let's remember the main points together.
Okay, let's remember the main points together.
Point number 1. Use a directory to find stores like department stores or boutiques.
Point number 2. Use the escalator to move between floors, but be careful with your shoelaces.
Point number 3. A mistake is just a sign that you are trying. If you get lost in the wrong department, just laugh and ask for help.
And point number 4. Always keep your receipt. It's essential if you want to return your purchases later.
Perfect recap. And now we have a question for you, our family. What is your favorite store at the mall? Do you like clothes, electronics, or the food court? Tell us in the comments.
Please tell us. I hope you find a great bargain today.
We believe in you. Keep practicing and keep smiling. You're doing a wonderful job, step by step.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.